Welcome to Machine Solutions. Today, we'll follow the remarkable journey of timber, from carefully managed forests through advanced sawmills and panel factories, revealing how modern technology transforms trees into valuable wood products. Every piece of quality lumber begins long before it reaches a construction site or furniture workshop. It starts in carefully managed forests, where mature trees are selected for harvesting, ensuring younger trees have room to continue growing. Sustainable forestry has become one of the most important parts of today's wood industry, allowing forests to regenerate while providing a continuous supply of renewable building materials. Once the trees have been felled and trimmed, powerful logging equipment loads the logs onto specialized timber trucks. Transporting these massive loads requires experienced operators, careful planning, and well-maintained forest roads. Some logs travel only a few miles, while others are hauled hundreds of miles before arriving at modern sawmills like the Belka wood processing plant. As each truck enters the mill, every log is inspected. Diameter, length, and overall quality determine how each one will be processed. High-value logs may become premium construction lumber, while others are directed toward pallets, packaging materials, engineered wood products, or furniture components. Nothing is left to chance because every log represents years of natural growth. The first major operation begins with debarking. Large rotating machines strip away the rough outer bark without damaging the valuable wood underneath. Removing bark protects cutting equipment, improves accuracy, and produces cleaner finished products. Even the discarded bark rarely goes to waste. Many mills recycle it as biomass fuel, helping generate heat or electricity for plant operations. After debarking, sophisticated scanning systems examine every log from multiple angles. Powerful computers create three-dimensional models that reveal the shape of each log. These systems instantly calculate the cutting pattern that will produce the highest possible yield. Modern optimization software has dramatically reduced waste compared to traditional sawing methods used decades ago. The logs then move toward massive band saws and circular saws, capable of slicing through thick timber with astonishing precision. Heavy conveyors keep the production line moving continuously, while automated positioning systems align every log before each cut. Operators carefully monitor the equipment, ensuring both efficiency and safety throughout the process. As rough boards emerge from the saws, they continue along an intricate network of conveyors, where additional trimming and edging take place. Sensors identify defects, remove irregular edges, and cut boards to standardized lengths. Every step is designed to maximize usable lumber while maintaining consistent product quality. Freshly sawn lumber still contains a significant amount of moisture. If it were used immediately, it could warp, crack, or shrink over time. To prevent these problems, stacks of lumber are transferred into large computer-controlled drying kilns. Warm air circulates through carefully stacked boards for days or even weeks, gradually reducing moisture content to levels suitable for construction or manufacturing. Once drying is complete, every board undergoes another inspection. Automated grading systems, combined with experienced quality control specialists, evaluate strength, grain pattern, knots, and appearance. Higher grade lumber may be selected for visible structural applications or fine woodworking, while lower grades still serve valuable purposes in industrial construction and packaging. The efficiency of facilities like Belka demonstrates how much the timber industry has evolved. Decades ago, much of this work depended on manual labor and visual judgment. Today, laser scanners, computerized optimization, robotics, and automated handling systems allow mills to process enormous volumes of timber while improving worker safety and reducing material waste. Environmental responsibility also plays an increasingly important role. Sawdust generated during cutting becomes raw material for wood pellets, particle board, or fuel. Wood chips are shipped to pulp and paper manufacturers. Even small wood residues are collected instead of discarded. Modern sawmills strive to utilize nearly every part of each harvested tree. As we leave the sawmill, our journey through the wood industry continues. While dimensional lumber serves countless construction projects, another branch of the forest products industry transforms wood fibers into engineered panels that offer remarkable consistency and versatility for today's manufacturers. Our next stop highlights another important stage in modern timber production, where precision manufacturing continues adding value to harvested wood. Companies like Stephan Holz demonstrate how advanced woodworking technology converts rough lumber into highly refined products, ready for demanding commercial applications. Computer-controlled equipment performs planing, profiling, cutting, drilling, and shaping operations with remarkable precision. Components destined for flooring, cabinetry, window frames, or structural assemblies often require tolerances measured in fractions of a millimeter. Automation allows these standards to be achieved consistently throughout long production runs. Despite the impressive machinery, skilled workers remain essential. Operators monitor cutting quality, adjust production settings, inspect finished pieces, and ensure every stage meets customer specifications. Their experience complements advanced technology, creating an efficient partnership between craftsmanship and automation. One fascinating aspect of modern woodworking is flexibility. Production lines can quickly switch between different dimensions and product designs with minimal downtime. This adaptability allows manufacturers to serve construction companies, furniture makers, and industrial customers from the same facility. By combining precision engineering with renewable raw materials, facilities like Stephan Holz help extend the value of every harvested tree. The journey now moves beyond solid lumber toward another remarkable innovation: engineered wood panels that have become indispensable throughout today's furniture and interior construction industries. While solid lumber remains essential for structural gilding, engineered wood panels have transformed modern furniture manufacturing. Crosta Panels demonstrates how wood fibers can be converted into durable MDF, HDF, and pre-laminated HDF boards used throughout homes, offices, schools, and commercial buildings. The process begins with carefully selected wood that is reduced into small chips before entering refining equipment. Steam and mechanical action separate the chips into individual wood fibers, creating a uniform raw material, unlike natural lumber. While solid lumber remains essential for structural building, engineered wood panels have transformed modern furniture manufacturing. Crosta Panels demonstrates how wood fibers can be converted into durable MDF, HDF, and pre-laminated HDF boards used throughout homes, offices, schools, and commercial buildings. These fibers are blended with specialized resins and protective additives before forming large, continuous mats. Powerful presses apply tremendous heat and pressure, bonding the fibers into dense, stable panels with exceptionally smooth surfaces. After pressing, each panel is cooled, sanded, and trimmed to precise dimensions. Sophisticated quality control systems continuously measure thickness, density, and surface finish. Some boards receive decorative laminated surfaces that closely resemble natural wood grain, while offering increased durability and simplified maintenance. Engineered panels make efficient use of forest resources because they can utilize smaller trees, recycled wood fibers, and sawmill byproducts that might otherwise become waste. This efficient material utilization has made MDF and HDF important components of sustainable manufacturing around the world. Together, traditional lumber and engineered wood products demonstrate how nearly every part of a harvested tree can serve a valuable purpose. Thank you for joining us on Machine Solutions. If you enjoyed exploring today's fascinating wood industry technologies, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and join us again for more incredible industrial journeys from around the world.